Great little number to hit first thing in the morning. Take yourself down into the bottom of the squat position. Place your hands underneath your toes or your feet. We're going to hinge the hips high, keeping the chest low. So we end up in a forward fold and then drop the hips so we're down into the bottom of our squat position. Keep flowing between these two positions and feel those hamstrings. From here, walk the hands out, drop the chest to the mat, and then bring yourself for that up dog position. Curl the toes under, hips high, head through, downward dog. Scoop the right leg forward, going for a low lunge position. Sink that back knee into the mat, flow those hips down into the mat. Stay lengthened in the spine and feel those hips open up. Kick the right foot back, bring the left leg forward, low lunge. Right knee down, keeping the chest up, sink those hips down into the mat. Kick the right leg back, then hips high, downward dog position again. Walk the hands back underneath the toes, hips high, hips low, into that squat, into that forward fold. Keep sending those hips high and then sending them low into the bottom of the squat. We are going to hit exactly the same sequence again, finding the up dog, downward dog, and your lunge positions. For now, keep floating between the squat and that forward fold. Walk those hands forward, drop the chest up dog. Curl the back toes under, hips high, head through. Bring the right leg forward, low lunge position. Drift those hips down into the mat. Scoop the right leg back, bring the left leg forward, low lunge. Right knee to the mat. Drop the hips down into the mat, feel them open up. Scoop the left leg back, downward dog, then walk those hands back. We're going to go for the squat and hinge positions again. From here, walk your hands forward, drop the chest down, find the up dog position. Keep your thighs pressed into the mat, curl the toes under, hips high, head through. Right leg forward for your low lunge position, sink the hips into the mat, stay lengthened in that spine. From here, take that right foot back, find the downward dog position, head through, hips high, left foot forward, right knee down into the mat. Sink those hips open, feel that spine lengthen. Send that left leg back, finding the downward dog position again. And bring yourself up for the squat and the forward fold. Keep flowing between those two positions, and we're going to do exactly the same sequence again. Walk the hands forward, drop the chest up dog. Curl the toes under, hips high, head through. Scoop the right leg forward, low lunge. Kick the right leg back, bring the left leg forward, low lunge. Take the left foot back, hips high, walk the hands up. We're going to go for a similar sequence again, this time adding a pigeon variation. Take yourself down to the bottom of the squat, taking hold of those toes. Send the hips high, then walk those hands forward. Drop the chest up dog. curl the back toes under, hips high, downward dog position. Bring that left leg forward to find your pigeon position. Keeping the chest up, you're going to reach for 5 points on the front position of your mat. Using the right arm, you're going to reach across, reach forward, reach to the side. 5 one way, 5 the opposite way. Making that point the last one, curl the back toes under, send the left leg back. Downward dog and then scoop the right leg forward. Using the left hand this time, find your 5 points on the mat. Across the body, forward of the body, to the side of the body. Making this one your last rep, curl the back toes under, send the leg back to find that downward dog position. Now we're going to go into our low lunge, left leg forward, drop the hips to the mat. Curl the back toes under, send the left leg back, hips high, and then bring the right leg forward. Drop the knee down, open up those hips. Curl the back toe under, send the right leg back, downward dog. From here, walk those hands back, stand tall, drop to the bottom of the squat, and then hinge those hips high. Flow between those two positions. We're going to find exactly the same sequence again. Walk the hands forward, drop the chest down, lift up, up dog. Curl the toes under, hips high. We're going to go for left leg pigeon first. Extend the right leg back and drop the chest ever so slightly, reaching forward for your 5 points. After that 5th rep, place the hand into the floor, curl the back toes under, downward dog, then scoop that right leg forward, extend the left leg back, and with that right hand, reach forward for your 5 and 5. Curl the back toes under, send the hips high, downward dog. We're going to go into low lunge, left leg forward, right knee down. Curl the back toes under, send the left leg back, downward dog position. Scoop the right leg forward for your low lunge. Curl the back toes under, send the hips high, head through, downward dog. Take yourself to standing, and that is your sequence for today.